What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to enable dark mode into your Google Chrome. So imagine that you would like to enable dark mode into the Google Docs, into the Google Sheets, into the Google Calendar without the needs of plugins with external third-party services, with browser extensions. No needs for it. All you have to do is have Google Chrome browser. After this, open a new tab and type Chrome /flags, just like this. Please copy this address, type this, type enter. This gonna opens for you the Google experiments. Okay, a very nice options right here that Google do the beta tests, is the pre-alpha, the development tools. Okay, and into the search flags we're gonna type dark, just like this. Auto dark mode for web contents. Automatically render all web contents using dark theme. Mac, Windows, Linux, Chrome OS, Android, Lacrosse, okay? Enable force dark. By default, yours gonna be default. And all you have to do is set as enable. After this, you're gonna be able to see a button. Your changes will take effect in the next time you relaunch Chrome. Click on relaunch. This gonna opens your Google Chrome again, and all gonna be into dark mode by default, by Google, effective and without needs of third-party services. Simple, easy, effective and free. If you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. I'm gonna be happy in talking to you. And please, don't forget to check out our borderless WordPress plugin, the best free WordPress plugin that when you install you gain widgets, elements, templates and tools to build up your site using Elementor, Gutenberg, WP Bakery and many more extra features, all for free, downloaded on wordpress.org. In addition, with our Enzo WordPress theme, a theme that gives you pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, also downloaded on wordpress.org. It's the best free WordPress theme. Moreover, in the case that you want to submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, or to find a blog to collaborate with, go to growth with 3ws.net and find a collaborator or outreach right here, okay? In addition, in the case that you want to promote your site, your app, your landing page, your game design, go to sites.gallery. You can submit your blog for free, you can submit your site for free, your app, your game, okay? You can be promoted right here on our CSS gallery. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your site, go to visualmodo.com and purchase the Visual Modo Pass and go premium. So you're gonna have access to all our WordPress themes, plugins, icons, templates, assets, and of course, hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for pre-built templates, icons, widgets, blocks, and many more tools to create the site of your dreams. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best.